Hello, 5th grade. So I'm going to start by showing you guys a little bit of how to use your vocabulary notebook for social studies. So, although this isn't on this page yet, it is going to show up here on the directions to how to use the notebook page after I'm done recording. So, first things first, what we're going to talk about is for adding each new section to our table of contents. So for this, what I did was I picked a picture that I thought would fit the unit, and since it is exploration and technology, I went with a spyglass, which just fit for me. What I am going to show you how to do is I'm going to show you how to make it so that when you click present, when you click this, it goes to the correct page. And this is really important for when we get more and more units that we're adding to this page. So, to make it link to another slide, what you have to do is first create the other slide. So for example, the exploration and technology, when I click that, I want it to go to the exploration and technology vocab page, which will show all of the words that we're going to be covering in this unit. So, to do that, there are two ways that I can do it. The first way is by clicking on the image, clicking with two fingers on a Chromebook, or clicking with the right hand button on a mouse pad. So you can see when I click that, I can do a bunch of different things. For whatever reason, it's not giving me the option to do this right now, so I'm going to show you the other way. So the other way you can do it is by clicking on the image and pressing Control on your keyboard and K, which will create a link. I'm going to click Slides in this presentation, and I'm going to want to link this to slide 4 because it's the exploration and technology vocab. And then I always have to click Apply. So what this does is when I click in, I can click for the directions, I go to the table of contents. When I go to click the magnifying glass, you can see that it turns into a little hand instead of just my mouse, and it's going to send me to the exploration and technology vocab page. Now, on the next page, normally this would not be created for you, but you're going to create it. What you can do is you can either keep this and you can make a copy of it and put it down below with paste, and it will show up with all of these. So you can change the words in it by clicking twice and typing in a new word. Now, each of these are going to be linked the same exact way as you would have linked it before. So for example, technology is slide 5. When I click there, click with my mouse button this time and it gives me the link. I'm going to link that to the technology page, apply, navigation, I'll click Control K that time, I go down, I go to the navigation slide, expedition, link, I want to link that to the expedition slide 7. That's just a couple of these. The first set will be done for you when you get started, but after that you are going to be in charge of creating them. So, let's check and make sure that they are working. So if I click present, click technology, it sends me to the technology slide. I click navigation, sends me to the navigation slide. I click expedition, it sends me to the expedition slide. This will make it really easy if you are studying any of these units, and it'll make it easier to get from one to the next one. Now, you'll notice when I had to go in, I had to click back on what slide I wanted it to be on. To create a back to home slide, you can go over here, and I can make my own shape, and I'm going to just call it back to vocab. And what I can do is the same way as I did it with anything else. I can click link, and I'll link that back to slide 4. So then when I go into present, if I click this, it will send me back to my vocab page. If at any point you're having any trouble with this, please come back and check this video. I'm also going to put a couple quick recommendations on the directions for how to use this notebook. Okay, have a nice day.